Fitment. Compatible with Dodge Ram 1500 2009 to 2010, Dodge Ram 2500 3500 2010, Ram 1500, 2500 3500 2011 to 2020. Package includes 1 pair tail light turn signal socket. Application high quality. Tail light turn signal lights' high-quality clasps can hold the bulb tight, does not loosen when connected, the terminal is not easy corrosion or rust. Easy to install. Plug and play, no rewire. Direct replacement for factory parts number 68226719 AA, no modification needed. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Since order purchase date, feel free to send email if there's any issue before or after purchase. Your case will be taken seriously regardless of warranty period. Top reviews from the United States. Prefect. They were perfect for my 2014 Ram 1500. I was installing LED taillights and this is the one part one need for the conversion. I could find anywhere, none of the local store had them either. I took a gamble, got this, and bomb, it worked. I'm so happy. 5 stars. Now let's see how long they last.